How to charge your Google Pixel Buds Pro. Google Pixel Buds Pro have up to 11 hours of earbud listening time and up to 31 hours of total listening time with the charging case and when active noise cancellation is off. When it's on, your earbuds have up to 7 hours of earbud listening time and up to 20 hours of total listening time with the charging case. For Pixel and Android phones, you can check the battery charge levels by opening the case near the phone with the earbuds inside. When you need to charge your earbuds, put them back in the case. Your case holds an additional 20 hours of charge with active noise cancellation off, so you can recharge your earbuds when you're on the go. For Pixel phones, you can also find the battery life by tapping the Pixel Buds Pro settings in the Bluetooth menu. For non-Pixel Android phones, launch the downloadable Google Pixel Buds app. When the case's battery is low, the light will blink orange. To charge the case, use a USB-C cable to connect the case to power. The light on the case will appear orange while charging. You can also wirelessly charge using a Pixel stand, sold separately, or other wireless chargers. Place your Pixel Buds Pro on top of the stand. The status light will be solid orange while charging and change to white when fully charged. To learn more, visit the Google Pixel Buds Help Center.